Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to use test mode in Ultimate Security. Test mode is a very helpful feature that lets you try out new security settings safely. Instead of locking you out by mistake, it just pretends to block and records what would have happened. This is great for making sure your new rules work perfectly before you make them live. Make sure you have the Ultimate Security plugin installed and activated before we begin. Starting from the Ultimate Security dashboard, let's move to the test mode settings. To get there, hover over the settings menu at the top, then go down to monitoring and diagnostics and click on test mode. This brings us to the security test mode page. Right now, you can see a message letting us know that test mode is currently inactive. To turn it on, click the toggle switch next to enable test mode. Below that, you will see a list of user roles. These are the different types of accounts on your WordPress site. Here, you can choose which user types will be affected by this test mode. By default, the administrator role is enabled because administrators can always see test mode simulations and bypass restrictions. This means we will test security features on admin accounts without actually enforcing them. We will leave the other roles turned off for now. As we scroll down, you will see the safety options section. These are default settings designed to keep your site running smoothly during testing. The first option is always excludes administrators. It means admin accounts cannot bypass security for them. The second option makes sure all these test blocks are recorded in a log so you can review them later. The third option will show a helpful notice at the top of your WordPress dashboard, reminding you that test mode is currently turned on. For the demonstration video, we are turning off the setting for now to show you exactly what happens next. Scrolling down a bit further, you will find the simulation statistics section. Right now, this is empty because we haven't tested anything yet. With this section, we have a refresh and clear all logs button. Just down below, the section recent simulations. Currently, we have nothing here. As we refresh it, it's still blank. Now, let's scroll back up to the top of the page. To make our new test mode settings active, click the Save Changes button. You will see a notification confirming that your settings have been saved successfully. Now let's do a test to see how this works. This time, click on Login and Authentication, and then click on Two-Factor Authentication. From the menu that appears, click on Authenticator Apps. We are going to test this security feature. Look that we have already enabled our 2FA, and the user role is already selected for the administrator roles. The 2FA is also configured from the user's profile as well. Normally, this would require all admins to use an extra code to log in. But remember, we have test mode turned on. Let's see what happens. On the WordPress login page, we are going to enter the credentials for the admin account. When we click the Login button, watch what happens. We are logged straight into the WordPress dashboard. We didn't have to enter the 2FA code, even though we configured two-factor authentication. This is because test mode is active. The security plugin saw that we should have been asked for a code, but because it's in test mode, it let us in anyway. Let's go check the logs now. For that, go to the test mode settings. As we are back on the test mode page, scroll all the way down to the recent simulations section. Look at that! There is now a record logged here. It shows the time we tried to log in. It tells us that the 2FA was triggered. This proves that our security rule is working perfectly. The system knew we needed two-factor authentication. It recorded the event, but it didn't block us from logging in because we were just testing. Finally, if you look at the very top of your screen, you will see a message that says, "Test mode is active." This is a great built-in reminder so you don't forget you are in test mode. That is everything for this tutorial. We successfully turned on test mode, tested a security rule, and checked our log files to see the results. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials. See you in the next video.